So for installing new media player, you have to go to this website, and I will suggest you guys to take a screenshot of this page, this screen currently, and use it to follow the steps better. So I'm gonna copy this link and open our web browser and go to that site. In here you have to select fast channel, so you have to select it, and you have to copy this text. I'm gonna add these to the description box as well. So I'm going to copy it and paste it, and I'm going to click on this right icon. So you have to right click on it and download it. I already have downloaded it, so I'm going to show you guys how you can update it to new Windows Media Player. So I'm going to open my download folder and open the file. So you have to download this file from that website. So once you open it, it will show you this new thing, which is update media player. Then you have to click on update. Once you have clicked on update, it will be your default media player will be updated to new media player from Microsoft Store. So now you can launch it to test it. So as you can see, the new media player has been installed, and you can use it to listen to music or watch video, and this app is quite optimized as well. So that's all for today. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.